Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Shivam, you can say. Say Shivam.
Sir, I have written the code without function. May I show you?
Uh, okay, no issue. I have done. I am going to show. No issue. Okay, just
Okay.
wait for a minute. I have done here. Okay, Pallavi, I hope you can see the code.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just nothing. It is a very easy as Afrin have described. Just we have first taken a list and we have put some values into the list, right? And then we are using a for loop to put the values and having the input of the values, and then we are just appending all the numbers in one places. Okay. Now here we have taken as x as a value of input that the number needs to be searched here in the list. So we are considering I as 0 and having a flag value of false. So this while I less than length of a list. So we are putting the calculation of list length, and then we are making a if condition. So if list I is equal to x, so the value of list I is here the 0, means we are moving or traversing list element or the in index or within, we can say in an array. So if the array value is actually matching with the value of x is what the value of x is saying, that the number that have been entered that needs to be searched. So if this particular thing is happening, then it is the flag will be true. Then we are making a break statement here, forcefully stopping the execution, and we are taking the I as I plus 1, and if flag equals to 1, so then if this means flag is equals to 1, then it is saying that the value have been found at some index position. So if I am running the code here, okay, so you can see that if I'm running the code here, we can have a enter the size of list. So suppose we are putting some value of 5 and we are mentioning some values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here it is asking the number needs to search. So if I'm putting the value of 5, then it is showing that the value was found at the index 4, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is found at the position of index 4. So this is the logic we can use without function. Here we are not using any type of function. We are just using some simple logic of while condition. We are using some while condition and some flag value and a break condition. So that is means the lines, the code of lines may be one or two lines, uh, means extra, we can say access. Okay, otherwise we can make it with the function or without the function also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I am
So in this code, so
yes, Nishu, go on.
so what is the function of format in
Function
as
which
third line?
for format or for, yeah, you can ask, you are asking for this
Yes, so this format function that you used in this code.
format function.
Sir, in line 22, I think.
Sir, actually, she is saying a line 22 and 24.
Okay, line 22 and 24, that's why I am not, so that's why. Okay, so here the index was found, so format x and I. What is the x and I? Look at the output screen that it is showing x and I, means the value of format means x and I. X is the value of the key that needs to be searched, and I the index value. So this is the format, means the index was found. This is the format. Here the x that will be placed in this particular and I will be placed in this particular. So format x and I. Okay, so if I just remove that as I and x, the thing will be, I think it will be moved something else. look, the thing have been changed. Means the format, what will be the first, the key needs to be first, what was the element we need to found, and then at which places. So the format, the first, what needs to be, in which format we want to get our output. So this is the particular thing that I have mentioned some format here, that in this particular way our format or the things need to be described. Okay, so linear search have been done. Now we will move to binary search. The topic of binary search we are going to do. This is the last problem for today's class. Binary search we are going to do. So without wasting much time, we will move for the binary search. Okay, so let's quickly get into the binary search. And one more information that would I like to say, that I have found many students just joining into the classes in theory and in practical also. So those who are actually attending the classes daily, the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 students, I know their names. I will look or take care at the time of marks of these particular people, not who are just, not at all who are not joining. Okay, because last time everyone is saying that marks means all are getting same marks. Okay, so from now on that will not be happening. So this is just for the information. Okay, so now we will move for the binary search, and we will look the binary search program. So let's start quickly the binary search program. This is our last problem or last thing we are going to do today. Last uh, topic we are going to discuss. So let's quickly done the binary search program, and then we are going to stop today. So if anyone have done, it will take time, I know. So first do it, and if anyone have done, then they can raise their hand so that I can check the program of binary search. Okay. And also there is one more thing that after, wait a minute, AC from 6M, Dolly, Divakar, Golden, Gautam, Jaydeep. I have sent one more link regarding the mentor session, mentor-mentee discussion session. So Dolly, you need to be present in that link. Okay, we have some discussion there. So after the practical ends, then you will be joining into the mentor-mentee session.
Okay, sir.
I have shared the link previously in the group. So if anyone have done with the code of binary search, then they can raise their hand so we can check it on. Okay, so you people just try continue. I am just coming in 1 minute. Okay, just give me 1 minute and you people solve it. Okay, so have anyone done with the code of the binary search? Anyone? What is the progress? तो क्या हो रहा है? अभी तक किसी का नहीं हुआ बाइनरी सर्च का? शुभम, पल्लवी, डॉली, निशु, शिवम, क्या हुआ? शिवम हो गया तुम्हारा, तो तुम शो करो कोड।
तो शेयर नहीं हो रहा शायद, परमिशन नहीं है शायद।
ओके ओके, वेट अ मिनट जस्ट। ओके, अभी करो शिवम। Okay, Shivam. That have been done. Okay. Okay. Run the code, Shivam. Any element, right? I think rerun the code. Okay. Okay. Fine, Shivam. Thank you. Okay. और किसी का हुआ शिवम के अलावा? क्या हुआ शिवम, शुभम, पल्लवी, निशु, डॉली, क्या हुआ? डॉली, निशु, पल्लवी, शुभम, क्या हो रहा है बताओ। कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स, क्या कितना तक हो रहा है, क्या हुआ बताओ। शुभम का हो
सर
गया।
बनाइए।
ओके शुभम, शो करो। ओके फाइन। ओके
5 बजे वाला।
रन करो। Okay, element is not present, it is saying, but 9 is there. Elements is not present, it is saying.
Yes, I'm facing some issue.
ठीक, चलो चेक कर लो, कोई भी इशू नहीं है, पूरा देख लो क्या इशू है। ओके, तो लग रहा है बाकियों का कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहा है। शुभम, तुम ट्राई कर लो, कोई इशू नहीं है। तो आज के लिए हम लोग इतना तक ही थोड़ा डिस्कशन सेशन रखेंगे कि जो हम लोग ने किया आज, हम लोग बाइनरी सर्च, तुम लोग का होम असाइनमेंट है। तुम लोग बाइनरी सर्च घर पे ट्राई करो, और फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में बाइनरी सर्च से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है ना। तो आज के लिए हम लोग ने लीनियर सर्च प्रोग्रामिंग किया, हम लोग ने एक डिक्शनरी प्रोग्राम किया है, मर्ज शॉर्ट, सॉरी नॉट मर्ज शॉर्ट, बबल शॉर्ट, इंसर्शन शॉर्ट वाला प्रोग्राम किया है, ठीक है ना। तो 4-5 प्रोग्राम आज हम लोग किए हैं। तो बाइनरी सर्च का प्रोग्राम ये आप लोग का होम असाइनमेंट होगा, आप लोग इस पे घर पे वर्क कीजिए। फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर से इस बाइनरी सर्च से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे, ओके ना। तो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर जॉइनिंग द सेशन। ओके, तो बहुत लंबा 3 बजे से क्लासेस चल रहे हैं मेरे हिसाब से, नॉट 3, शायद 3:15। ओके, सो ऑलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स कंप्लीटेड, अ लॉन्ग टाइम द क्लास हैव एक्सटेंडेड। ओके, so thank you all for joining into the session, and take care and stay safe in your home. So I think the session was fine and helpful for you people. Okay, so if anything anyone wants to say, अगर किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो वो लोग बता सकते हैं या बोल सकते हैं। कोई भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स अगर है किसी भी रिलेटेड, कोई टॉपिक या प्रॉब्लम प्रोग्रामिंग रिलेटेड या कुछ और कुछ सजेशन किसी को कुछ देना है तो वो बोल सकते हैं, नहीं तो मैं क्लास सेशन यहीं पे खत्म कर दूंगा। फाइन। तो अगर किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो बता सकते हैं, नहीं तो मैं सेशन को एंड करूंगा क्योंकि 5:30 से एक सेशन है मेंटर मीटिंग का। ओके, तो एनीवन किसी को कुछ बताना है?
So question पूछो.
पूछो।
So you have mentioned कि we did merge sort today. So when
Not
did we
merge
did?
short, only not merge short. I have correct myself, then bubble short and insertion short. It was done.
So we did bubble sort and insertion sort.
It was done in the first time when you people are facing some
Okay.
problem at the time of connecting.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? नहीं तो मैं सेशन को एंड करूंगा और हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में आगे फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके फाइन, थैंक यू ऑल फॉर जॉइनिंग द सेशन, टेक केयर एंड स्टे सेफ।